pages, then select your pages. You have to switch it first. Switch it to your page, then switch again. After switching, search where is the settings option. You can go settings option from left side, otherwise you can go from your profile, then settings and privacy. Now on the search box, search name. After that, click name option. Then click view. Then edit. You have to select username. Edit option, click edit. Then type your username. Easier username recommendable, so I am giving a short username. Then save changes. For your security, you must enter your password to continue. Type your password. Then submit. After changes, your page will automatically load. Right click on the Facebook icon, open link in new tab. Click your page icon, then click the link above, facebook.com/alieneden 3.0. So that's all. Thanks for watching.